Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make spinach Alfredo sauce. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. You'll need fresh spinach, heavy cream, and good quality Parmesan cheese. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. This delicious sauce comes together quickly, perfect for a weeknight meal. Begin by melting 1 tablespoon of butter in a large skillet over medium heat. Add your 5 ounces of fresh spinach and sauté it until it's completely wilted, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Once wilted, make sure to drain any excess water from the spinach. This step is crucial for preventing a watery sauce. Now let's create the creamy Alfredo base. In a separate saucepan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic and cook until fragrant, about 30 seconds. Slowly whisk in 1 1/2 cups of heavy cream, bringing it to a gentle simmer. Do not boil the cream, just let it warm through. Finally, combine everything. Stir the sautéed spinach into your simmering cream mixture. Add 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, stirring until it melts and thickens the sauce. Season generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a small pinch of nutmeg to enhance the flavor. Serve immediately over your favorite pasta. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.